How to connect ElevenLabs Conversational AI to Twilio. So first, you need to gather Twilio information. So log into your Twilio account, locate your account SID and auth token in the console, and identify the Twilio phone number you want to use. Then, you need to import the number into ElevenLabs. So navigate to the phone number section within ElevenLabs Conversational AI dashboard. Then, click to add a new number and provide a label. Then enter your Twilio phone number, enter your account SID and auth token, and then it will automatically configure the number with the correct settings. Then you want to configure and test. So once imported, associate with the Twilio number with your desired ElevenLabs agent. You can then test the integration by calling the Twilio number. You should hear the voice of your ElevenLabs agent. Then lastly, for considerations for outbound calls. So if you plan on using your agent for outbound calls, you may need to configure your Twilio account to enable outbound calling, and you may need to set up a custom server to handle the communication between the Twilio and ElevenLabs agent, and the authentication might be required for outbound calls, especially if you are passing custom prompts or data to the agent.